Assalamualaikum guys, once again I'm back. I hope you are all fine. In this video I'll show you how to delete Windows.old folder from your C drive where you have installed your operating system. So after installing the update of new operating system, or might be you did the upgrade your operating system, so now you are facing a folder called Windows.old. How you can delete it? Guys, actually I don't have yet a folder, but after this update I'll get this folder, then I will make another video for you as a proof. Just click on the settings, updates and security, and this is the guys new version, Windows 10 version 21H2. After installing this version I'll get the Windows.old folder, so I'll show you proper method. But now in this video I'll show you how you can delete it. Simply right click on this C drive where you have installed your operating system, or where is your Windows.old folder. So just click on that drive, right click, properties. Now you will get this option, this cleanup. Now make sure it will available here the Windows.old folder, but if it's not available here, then clean up system files. Now definitely the old folder will appear here, also the updates will appear here. Just select all these options, then click OK and delete files. That's it guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Now hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. Okay, Allah Hafiz.